Yeah. So there's one instant here that has broken.
It was a glass.
Yeah.
Really nice views, and you can see by yourself. I will stay until 10. I will sleep there. I got my ticket. No need for booking in advance. You can walk in and book your ticket and pay. The price is £10 and 60p, and we just go up. Yes.
Yeah. Keep your ticket handy for the engine rooms later.
Thank you. No problem. I think you can do Tower Bridge in 30 minutes, 40 minutes, depending on how many selfies you want to take upstairs with the glass looking down. Walking up the stairs of the Tower Bridge, and you can see on the sides some information regarding the Tower Bridge. We are already on the top, and there's a lot of stairs. Now guys, I will show you the view from the Tower Bridge. This is the part where people come take some selfies and maybe play around with it. You got the mirror on the top, so you could get creative, lay down, take some selfies. Any incident happens so far?
Yeah, so there's been one incident. So there's one incident here that has broken.
It was a glass.
Yeah, so it was.
So
it
here
was
was a glass.
So yeah, so here's a glass panel.
Okay.
But the way that the way the glass is designed, so there's like 5 layers of glass, and there's one layer of glass that's broken, that's meant to be broken, it's designed to be broken. Then you replace it, and then
So that's what happened.
Yeah.
Did anyone try maybe do something stupid? Maybe try to jump outside?
There have been cases where, but the reason why, so back in the, because this was open in like the early 1900s, back here, there was no glass, so people would try and get out here and come out like Christmas.
Did they?
I think they did, yeah. But now we have this glass system.
Nothing happened.
Yeah, nothing happens. Nothing happens really here. Yeah.
So now I'm getting downstairs. I took a little bit longer than I was expecting because I had a conversation with Jake that works here, which also told me that usually that side is open, but because of the COVID is closed. So I took quite a lot of selfies. He also took me some pictures, and now I think we will go to the engine room, which is downstairs near the entrance, and then we will see what's next. So from here you go and you got some staircase for the engine room, which we go right now. So guys, we are entering now the engine room of Tower Bridge. That's where we was when we was taking pictures, and that's what there. About the engine room, I went really quick around the place. I saw how it operates, but I didn't want to just sit and spend that much time there. It's really quick and small to see. So now I'm heading to the walkie-talkie to try if I'm able to enter the Sky Garden, which is over that side. It takes about 20 minutes from the Tower Bridge to get there.
Welcome to Sky Garden. You will now travel at 6 meters per second up to the 35th floor, where you can explore the gardens and enjoy 360-degree uninterrupted views.
We are now in the Sky Garden. They allowed me to get in. Most of the people had tickets, but you just need to scan a code and they register, and then you are straight into the Sky Garden. Look at these views, guys. Guys, I'm about to leave now from the Sky Garden. It was amazing, really nice views, and you can see by yourself. Outside you are not allowed to use selfie sticks, by the way. Inside is allowed, but inside is not allowed to use tripods, and in general is not allowed to use anywhere in the Sky Garden tripods. So I've been told off. I've been taking a lot of pictures, but I put my back as a tripod and I put the selfie stick hanging there so I could take some pictures for Instagram. So if you want to see those pictures, go ahead and check them out. Got a lot of restaurants around. If you want to relax and have something to drink or eat, the views are amazing, totally worth it. You got 360 views around London, and you definitely need to come and see this place out. Right now I think I will be going to the shop. So far I'm happy with the planning, and I hope you enjoyed it too. So see you in a bit. Is this the entrance for the
view? Yeah.
Yes.
Lovely.
All right.
Yep, so just take that to the ticket desk, I'll book it.
Okay, cheers. Thank you. Got this ticket here. Is it fine to queue and enter? Yes?
Let me see.
Yeah, I do some vlogs for the YouTube.
You can stay too close if you want.
No problem. I will stay until 10. I will sleep there. Okay, cheers.
Cheers, bro.
Thank you. Thank you. So we got our ticket, and it's time to go and see the views. So I will see you in a bit. There is another elevator to take you to the top. So here is just the restaurant where we got some good views, but we need to go to the top and admire the views that the shard is famous for. So let's go on. Guys, we just arrived at the top of the shard, and it's also open. So most likely, I'm not sure what's happening when it rains. I think maybe it closes, I'm not sure, but look at this view, guys. Seriously, it's unreal. That is the walkie-talkie where we was, the Sky Garden. We got the Tower Bridge, which we went, the London Tower, and the views are just out of this world. Seriously, totally worth the money. And let's go around and enjoy the clips that I'll put together for the views. So I will see you in a bit. you also got the frame here where people go and take your pictures. So if you're traveling solo like me, maybe you could ask someone to take you and they will be glad to do it. Don't be shy, you don't come often to these places, so just tell someone to take your picture and they will. So let's continue. Hi there. Can I have a menu, please? Yes, thank you. So here are the prices, guys. You got some hot drinks, soft drinks, wine, spirits. The prices for the view is not bad. You're paying for the view, but that's up to you. I got myself one fresh juice. It's about £3, so I'm not going for £15 cocktail. I'm okay with some juice. The only downside by being at the shark is sitting here near the windows, because it's not only me, there's many people doing that, so that blocks you from seeing the view. But it is what it is. I'm not the only one, and I need to rest a bit until it gets a bit dark to enjoy the London during night. The time it's 9, so I spent a lot of time there, but was worth it. I had nothing to do, so why not sit and enjoy the views. I have to say it's unbelievable. So right now you could end your day if you wish, but I will be heading to the Covent Garden where it's an event. It will take us 20 minutes with the train to get there, so I will see you in a bit. Just came to the Covent Garden and I will play you some clips of the place that I thought there would be an exhibition, but we got some neon lights around the area. If you are in London during September till October, just come around and it's a nice thing to see. You could also enjoy the street performance, which I did. And now that will be the end of the vlog. I hope I was able to provide you some information, some guide, and some itinerary for your next trip to London. Have a nice one.